Does the PS5 controller work on the iPhone? Can you connect the PS5 controller to your iPhone? Let's find out in this video. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Go by the name of Hemi Jarvis. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all, I can't show y'all because I don't even know myself. Do the PlayStation 5 controller connects to the iPhone? I don't know if it does. I don't know if it doesn't. But in this video, we about to find out. But before I get into this video, y'all already know, man, I do giveaways here on my YouTube channel. I give away Xbox gift cards, PlayStation gift cards, stuff like that. So if you got you a PlayStation 5 console this year and you need you some PlayStation, what they call it, PlayStation Store, credit or whatever, I'll be doing giveaways on this channel. As a matter of fact, I got a giveaway going on tomorrow, so make sure you tune in. Well, today, actually, later on today, so make sure you tune in. But anyway, let's see if this PS5 controller can connect to my iPhone real quick, because I haven't tested it out, y'all. All right, so let's go to the iPhone. First thing we want to do is we want to get inside of the Bluetooth settings, all right? Because if you're going to, the controller connects to your iPhone by Bluetooth. So the first thing we got to do is go to Bluetooth. So go to the settings tab right here. I hope y'all can see that. Let me wipe my camera. Hold on. All right, hopefully y'all can see a little better. It's still blurry. Let's see if I can fix it. There we go. All right, go to settings. All right, now, so this is the thing, guys. We want to go to Bluetooth settings real quick. All right, so let me turn on the Bluetooth. Boom. Now, Bluetooth is turned on. As you can see, I got a couple things here. Everything is not connected. What I want to do is I want to turn on my PlayStation 5 controller by hitting the button in the middle. And then let's see if we can connect it. I think it's hold on, let's see if we can connect it by hitting these buttons here. All right, put it in search mode. Or did that turn it off? Hold on. I think I turned it off. Yeah, I think it's in okay, so it's in Bluetooth mode automatically. So let's see if the phone picks it up. All right. So it doesn't look like the phone is able to pick it up yet, guys. I don't know what's going on. Hold on. So headset. So what does that say? CKS 1507. I wonder if that's the controller or not. To pair an Apple Watch. I wonder if this is the controller. But that's odd. This is a DualShock 4 wireless controller. So this is the PlayStation 4 controller. So I don't know what that is, but let me try this again. All right. Let's see. Let's see what it does, guys. Again, this is my first time trying this, so I don't know if it works. I don't know if it do work or if it don't work, but it look like it doesn't. It look like the controller is not trying to pair. Let me hit both of these buttons just to see what happened. It's definitely in search mode, but it doesn't look like this is a button right here. I didn't know that. There's a button. So let's try this again. I'm gonna have to hit every button. So, all right, dang, I ain't see. All right, so let's see. Still nothing, guys. Y'all see, I've tried everything. I've been pushing all of these buttons just to see if anything pops up. Still nothing here. So watch app, Let me try turning this off and turning it back on. But it looked like nothing is connecting, guys. So I don't know what to say about this. I was hoping that it would work so that I can play Call of Duty on my cell phone, but not working. Let me get the, y'all know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna grab the PlayStation 4 controller and let's see if it would allow, let me just see something. Hold on. Let me get the PS4 controller. 1 second, guys. All right, let's try this PS4 controller. All right, so boom. I don't know, maybe y'all let me know in the comment section. Am I doing this right? Ain't this the button that connects Bluetooth? I must be doing something wrong. All right, so there's DualShock 4. So I hit the PS4, DualShock 4. It should connect. If it doesn't connect, let me know in the comment section what I could be doing wrong. And then I'll make another video. All right, connection unsuccessful. That's crazy. That's crazy, y'all. Hold on. Okay, DualShock. I gotta be doing something wrong, y'all. Am I supposed to hit both of these at the same time? Like that? I don't know what the problem is. Anyway. I think you're supposed to hit both of these. But either way, it's still not showing up here. Y'all let me know, man. What could I be doing wrong? Because this is a PlayStation 5 controller. It should have been able to connect to the iPhone. And if it's not able to connect to the iPhone, then I have to say that is pretty lame. But PlayStation 5, maybe they got a update or something that they got to do so that this can connect to your iPhone. So I don't know, but that is pretty crazy. I know that this connects to the iPhone, but for some reason it's not trying to right now. So I'm gonna have to, I don't know, maybe I gotta turn my phone off and turn it back on. But this isn't even showing up at all. So let's try this. Hold on, let me push that button. Yeah, guys, so it doesn't look like the PlayStation 5 controller is able to connect to the iPhone as of right now. Maybe they doing like some type of update where later on they'll be able to connect your PS5 controller to your iPhone. But for right now, it seems like it's not even picking it up, which I don't like that personally, because it doesn't make sense for the PS4 controller to be able to play games on your iPhone and not the PlayStation 5. So that is a big con for me for the PS5 controller, but it's still a good controller. I like the way it feels in your hands and all that good stuff. But yeah, for some reason it does not want to connect. But before I turn this video off, why is the PlayStation 4 controller acting funny? Why is this not trying to connect all of a sudden? Because usually I'm able to connect to my PS4 controller, but for some reason it's not trying to connect today. So like I say, it could be a software problem. You know, maybe Maybe they need to upgrade something in order for it to connect. So I don't know what's going on, but I'm gonna make another video. Um, but it doesn't look like the PS5 controller can connect to the iPhone as of right now. All right, so let's just give it time. Maybe a little bit in the future. Maybe they'll, you know what I'm thinking? Maybe they'll make newer controllers that, like, in the future, that will be able, like, they'll make newer controllers like they, just like they did the PS4. Y'all remember when the PlayStation 4 controller came out, that it, when it first came out, it wasn't able to connect to your iPhone, but as they kept making controllers, and what had happened is they put like an update inside of the controller, I guess, and it was able to connect to the iPhone. I'm guessing that's what they're gonna do with the PlayStation 5 controller. Maybe this is just the first controller, but later on we'll be able to play on our mobile phones. Hopefully that's the case. Hopefully that's the case. But anyway, guys, let me oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. For everybody that was trying to get my Instagram, I'm gonna put the link to my Instagram in the description. But it's basically Hemi Jarvis. I didn't put a profile picture on it just yet, but if you wanna follow me there, that's my Instagram name. It's just Hemi Jarvis. So look that up on Instagram and you should be able to follow me there. But also, guys, be sure to smash that like button. Let's get this video, I don't know, let's get it 10K likes. And yeah, watch out for my next experiment with the PlayStation 5 controller in the iPhone. In this video, it was not able to connect for some reason, but hopefully I can figure out how to get this to connect to the iPhone. So if you're interested in that, then make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell. And when I figure out how to get these two to connect, I will show you guys how I did it. Okay, I appreciate y'all for watching. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all soon.